Say good morning.
Mommy.
Hello.
Hello.
We're going to read a book. The Mixed Up Books by Mark Singer.
Doggy.
Illustrated by Seth Hayden. You looking for the birds? I hear them. Do you hear them? Look at this little girl. The Mixed Up Books. That's interesting. Make you do a jig. Lita is home from school. She looks for her dog Skip. He always loves to play. Why is Skip hiding? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? He's hiding under the chair. His name is Skip. Skip. Lita looks in the room. What a mess. Skip had pushed books onto the floor. The books had numbers on the ends. The numbers were all mixed up. Lita started putting the books back. You unsnapped your jacket? You unsnapped your jacket? What are you doing? Look at here. Let's read a book. Come on. Lita saw a book within a 25 on the end. She put that book on the shelf first. The next book had 31 on the end. 31 comes after 25. She put this book on the other side of the shelf. Look at that. She's putting the books back in order. Lita picked up a book with a 29. Look, the number 29. 29 comes between 25 and 31, smart girl. She put this book in the middle. The 3 books were just the start. Lita put books 30 before 31. What you dropped? That's okay. That's the bird food. She put books 26 after book 25. She's putting the books back on the shelf. Do you hear a bird? I hear them. I love to hear the birds. Look, Skip is trying to sniff the book.
Ooh, dog.
Yes, that dog was in trouble. He made a mess, but he's helping fix the mess. Book 27 comes between 26 and 29. Yes, he made a mess, but it's okay. He's picking it up. Skip, he wants to help. 28 comes after 27. Lita put the book between 27 and 29. Hold on, that's holding our phone. All the books are back in order. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Oh no! What happened to the videos? Skip made another mess. Skip made another mess. Where's the little girl? Touch the little girl's shoe. Where's the little girl's shoe? Touch the little girl's shoe for Mimi. See the little girl? Where's her shoe? That's your shoe. Yes, ma'am. Where's the dog in the picture? Can you find the dog? There you go. I see the dog. Where's the ducky? There's the duck. And where's the little girl?
There.
Yes. Very good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say we're going to talk to the birds right now. You close the book? Thank you. Hold your book. Let's see if we can find some birds. Where are the birds? Where are you, birds? There's the squirrel up in the tree. Look. The squirrel just ran up in the tree.
Baby, baby.
Ooh wee! I think you need to.
Baby.
You saw the bird?
Fifi.
Tweet tweet. I saw it. It just flew away. Look, Mimi's pretty purple flowers.
Ooh, Howard.
Yes, ooh, flowers. Let's go and make you some breakfast. You ready for breakfast? We got some egg and sausage and some milk. We're going to make some milk, egg, and sausage. Is that good?
Ooh, Heather.
And some toast. Would you like some toast? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you soon. Okay.